Welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometry. Important problems for MSET, IIT, JEE and PolySet also. Okay, let us start the class. Tan 10 into tan 20 into tan 30, tan 40, tan 50, tan 60, tan 70, tan 80 is equals to how much? Options are given here 0, 1, minus 1, 2. Okay, so see here, observe this one here. First of all, angles are given here 10 to 80, clear, and all are in terms of tan. Okay, so observe this one here. First of all, a plus b is equals to pi by 2. A plus b equals pi by 2. That means here 90 degrees. A plus b equals to 90 degrees. Then we are applying both sides by tan. What we get here? Tan of a plus b is equals to tan 90. Okay, right? So a plus b equals to 90 degrees. Then a equals to what right now? 90 minus b we write here. 90 minus b. So we are applying tan both sides here. We get here tan a is equals to tan of 90 minus b. 90 minus b. So 90 degrees is odd angle. Okay. So that's why tan can change into cot. So tan a is equals to cot b we get here. Okay. So 90 degrees ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం tan ని cot గా చేంజ్ చేస్తాం. Cot b అవుతుంది. Tan a equals to cot b ఇచ్చేసింది మనకి. So that implies tan a equals to 1 by tan b also we write here. 1 by tan b. So tan a into tan b is equals to we get here 1. So tan a into tan b equals to 1. Clear? So we got here this is. So when we got here, that is a plus b equals 90 degrees. A plus b equals to 90 degrees. That implies tan a into tan b is equals to 1. Okay, tan a into tan b equals to 1. అంటే a plus b equals to 90 degrees అయితే tan a into tan b equals to 1 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇక్కడ a ఉంది, b ఉంది. ఆ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేయాలి మనకి ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లంలో. సో వాట్ వి గెట్ హియర్? హియర్ 10 degrees is there, here 80 degrees is there. Okay, observe this one. Tan 10 into tan 80, tan 10 into tan 80. So that means here 10 plus 80, 90 degrees. So that's why tan a into tan b equals to we get here 1. Okay, next 20 is there and 70 is there. So tan 20 into tan 70 also is equals to 1. Okay, next tan 30 into tan 60 is also 1. 60 plus 30 is nothing but 1. So observe this one. These are possible or not here. Clear? Tan 30 value we know that here 1 by root 3. Tan 60 value root 3. So root 3 gets cancelled, we get here 1. So this is possible. Okay. Next tan 40 into tan 50, that is also equals to 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. Clear? So what we get here? 1 we get here. So option 2 is the right answer. Clear? Right, next one. Cot pi by 20, cot 3 pi by 20, cot 5 pi by 20, cot 7 pi by 20 into cot 9 pi by 20 is equals to how much? Okay, so first option is given here minus 1, second one is 1, third one is 0, fourth one is 2. Okay, see here pi by 20 is nothing but 180 by 20. Okay, so that means here 2 ones are 2 nines are, so we get here 9 degrees. Okay, 9 degrees. So observe this one here. First one is cot 9. Cot 9 into 3 is there, so 27. Cot 9 into 5, 45. Cot 9 into 7, 63. Cot 9 into 9, 81. Okay, so we got this one in terms of degrees. I will write here. Okay, so then after here also we take a plus b equals to pi by 2 or 90. That implies a equals to what we write now, 90 minus b. 90 minus b. So we are applying cot here. What we get here? Cot a equals to cot of 90 minus b. Again cot can change into tan b. So cot a equals to tan b we get here. Okay, so tan b can written also cot a equals to tan b 1 by cot b. Okay, so now cot a into cot b equals to 1 we get here. So observe this one here, a plus b equals to 90 degrees. A plus b equals to 90 degrees. That implies tan a into tan b equals to 1, as well as cot a into cot b also equals to 1. Okay, so now here 9 degrees, 81 degrees. So 9 plus 8, 81, sorry, 9 plus 81 degrees is equals to 90 degrees. So that's why what we get here, cot 9 into cot 81 is equals to 1. Next, cot 27 into cot 63. 27 plus 63 also 90 degrees. So that is nothing but 1. So remaining only cot 45 is there. So cot 45 value is equals to also 1. Okay, and the cot 45 value manaku 1 అని తెలుసు automatically. So 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. So second option is the right answer. Okay, ఇప్పుడు మీరు చూడగానే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూడగానే మీరు ఆన్సర్స్ని ఈజీగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. ఎప్పుడు అంటే a plus b equals 90 degrees, then tan a into tan b equals to 1, cot a into cot b equals to 1. Okay, right, next question. Cos square 1 plus cos square 2 plus cos square 3 up to so on cos square 90 is equals to how much? First option is 0, second option is 1, third option is 45, fourth one is 89 by 2. Okay, so see here, if a plus b is equals to 90 degrees, then a equals to what we get here, 90 minus b we get here, 90 minus b. A plus b equals 90 degrees, then a equals to 90 minus b we get here. So we take here first of all sin both sides here. Sin a equals to sin 90 minus b we get here. Okay, so sin a is equals to sin 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. So sin a equals to cos b we got here. Okay, so we know that here sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. So sin a is there, here cos b, sin a equals what is there, cos b is there. So we substitute this one, cos square b plus cos square a equals to 1. So similarly we are applying here cos a equals to cos of 90 minus b. So cos a equals to sin b we get here. We know that here cos square a plus sin square a equals to 1, or sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. This is the formula actually, trigonometric identity. So sin square b plus sin square a is equals to 1 we get here. So here cos a equals sin b, which substitute here we get sin square b. So sin square b plus sin square a equals to 1. Here cos square b plus cos square a equals to 1. So when it is possible, if a plus b equals 90 degrees, if a plus b equals to 90 degrees, then what we now, cos square a plus cos square b is equals to 1. Sin square a plus sin square b is also equals to 1. Okay, so if a plus b equals 90 degrees, then cos square a plus cos square b equals to 1, and sin square a plus sin square b also equals to 1. Clear? Now we are applying the condition for this problem. See here. Now see here, cos square 0 plus cos square 2 plus cos square 3 plus up to so on cos square 90 is there. So we know the value of cos square 90, cos 90 value 0. So this is nothing but 0. So before term is nothing but cos square 89 we get here. Cos square 89. Clear? So see here, cos square 89, here cos square 1, cos square 1. Okay. So 1 plus 89 is equals to 90 degrees. Clear? So here cos square A, that is nothing but cos square 1 plus cos square 89 is equals what we get here? 1. Okay. Right? So 89 cos square 1 plus cos square 89 is equals to 1 we get here. Clear? So here two terms are there. We got here 1. So then after cos square 2 plus cos square 88 we get here. That is also 1. Okay. So cos square 2 plus cos square 88 equals also 1 we get here. Cos square 2 plus cos square 88 is equals to 1. దీనికన్నా ముందు ఉన్న టర్మ్. అలా మనకు ఈ వన్స్ ఎన్ని వస్తాయంటే cos square 44 వరకు వస్తాయి. Cos square 44 plus cos square 46 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. అంటే మనకి ఎన్ని వస్తున్నాయి? 1, 2, 3 అప్ టు సో ఆన్ 44 వరకు వన్స్ వస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్ 44, 46 తర్వాత మధ్యలో 45 ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఏంది? cos square 45 వాల్యూ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ వి గెట్ హియర్. ఓకే. సో cos square 45, cos 45 వాల్యూ 1/√2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. సో 44 ప్లస్ 1/2. So 88 plus 1/2, that is nothing but 89/2 we get it. 89/2. So fourth one is the right answer. Okay. Observe చేసి ఇక్కడ మనకి a plus b equals 90 degrees అయితే cos square a plus cos square b equals to 1 అవుతుంది. అండ్ sin square a plus sin square b equals to కూడా 1 అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు మనం డైరెక్ట్గా ఆన్సర్ని చూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే.